Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. Today we're looking at a 2018 F-150 XLT in leadfoot with black sport cloth interior, seating for 5, 4 doors, 2 regular, 2 smaller, with a 6.5 foot box. This is a 4x4 with a 3.5 liter V6 EcoBoost engine, and it also has a sport package as well as a trailer tow package. It's really easy to get into this truck. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar. You have these nice sport cloth seats with the tire tread design on them. Your power pedals are located here. Lighting controls, LED side view mirror spotlights, grab handles in the body, and your steering wheel can tilt and telescope. On the face of the steering wheel, you have your dash controls, cruise control, sync voice activated system, and media control with volume. When we start up the vehicle, we're going to see any important messages, as well as the menu, which we can toggle through. So display mode, trip fuel, towing, off-road, settings, and these all have sub-menus. Up above is a little cubby to put things, and you have your traction control, hazard lights, auto stop start for better fuel economy. You're seeing a display screen there, and you can touch on it. I'm in settings right at the moment, so you see Bluetooth, Wi-Fi hotspot, and other things that you can choose through. You can also go into your audio and choose your sources, and we can change the volume by simply pushing the plus and minus on your steering wheel, as well as on the buttons below. So you have the choice of AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, CD, and Bluetooth. And there's your volume and tuner, CD player. Below that is your climate control, and you have heated seats for both driver and passenger, as well as AC and max AC, front and rear defrost. Off to the side, 4x4 locking differential, pro trailer backup, and integrated trailer brake controller. And down in the cubby, a couple of USB outlets. You also have an automatic select shifter, and you have drive mode. And when you press on this, it'll appear on your dash, and so there's normal, tow haul, snow wet, eco, sport, and then back around again. A couple of cup holders, and then in your armrest, you can open that right up. There's a little bin in there as well, more storage down below, and a 12 volt. And just close that up. Off to the side, 12 volt and 110 outlet, a locking glove compartment, auto dimming rear view mirror. Your lighting controls are located here. There's a sunglass holder. That's the button that slides that back power window for you. And on a nice day like today, we're going to push the button and open up the moonroof. 20-inch wheels, mud flaps, magnetic colored running boards, body colored door handle with keyless entry keypad, driver's side capless, easy fuel gas filler. The body colored handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable. Your backup camera is located just below that handle, and your backup sensors are on your bumper. You have a 4 and 7 pin connector, trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. When we want to open up that tailgate, simply pull up the latch. Inside, it's a nice and roomy box with tie downs in all 4 corners. It's lined, and it also has box link. And on your fob, you have remote start. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows. The nice thing about this door is it opens 170 degrees, making it easier to get bigger items in. In the back, you have seating for 3 with a 60-40 split. Very easily lift the seat with one hand, and it's in the upright position. To bring it back down, simply pull the clip and down it goes. There's anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats. On the floor, carpeted mats, and you're seeing extra all-weather mats. As well, slim pockets on the back of the front seat for extra storage. And in the center, a couple of cup holders, 110, 12 volt USB outlets, as well as air vents. Up above, there's hooks and lighting, and in the back, access to a power sliding window. Body colored bumper, mud flap, 6.5 foot box, privacy glass in the back windows with window vents, heated and powered side view mirrors, halogen headlights, fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.